Hey, let's see what's in the little package. A nice pretty silver ribbon and fun pink sparkles. Ooh, this is a nice little goodie bag, vinyl bag zipper pouch with some note. Oh, these are the bonus instructions for days 13 through 24. So we will have fun opening all the clues here for the add-on series. So I hope you will join me for the rest of the sew along. And she gives you a QR code to find the finishing instructions. And I'm in love with her little vinyl pouch packaging here. So well done, Carolina. Let's see what is inside of the bonus day 13 to 24 packages. They're all in these smaller envelopes, starting with number 13. They are additional pattern cards using the templates that we got in the days 1 through 12. So that's going to be a lot of fun to put together some more diamond shapes. Carolina gave us quite a fun selection of shapes to combine into these diamond blocks. I'd love to hear in the comments below which is your favorite shape and which one you hope makes an appearance over and over again. I'm partial to the parallelogram and the half hexagon, so let's see what she came up with for us. Here is number 13. I had fun making that red and green block, and with directional fabrics, especially stripes, you have to decide how you want those stripes to appear in your diamonds, and I've wanted them coming off that point, so I made sure to line my template up with the stripes so that they would hit the top of that diamond. And number 14 made almost a pinwheel effect. So I thought that was really cool. And I went back to my Elf on a Shelf and fussy cut all the books. So again, you do have to make sure you are paying attention to which triangles are, have the point at the top or at the bottom if you are trying to use a directional print. But I took my time and considered the final layout as I was cutting. Again, I'm not going to win any awards for matching the points there, but with busy fabric, once it's quilted, that will be just fine. And block number 15, I think, is so awesome with that zigzag in the middle there. You can really have fun with contrast of your fabrics in that, and just coming up with all sorts of fun pairings with that block design. So I am thrilled that our mini Advent quilt adventure continues. Stay tuned for the rest of the blocks.